So James, what is this?
This is the PlanePrint Eagle that's been in my shed for about a year and a half. And
Not flown?
No, not flown, first time.
Excellent.
Hopefully
Alright.
won't smash it. Bit
So
breezy.
how long did it take to print?
Good few days. Many days. All PLA plus, or most of it's PLA plus. I think a little bit of lightweight PLA.
And what printer did you use?
That was a CR10 version 3. The big print volume.
Reality CR10.
Yeah.
Pretty light.
Yeah, it's pretty light. 3S 4000, and yeah, usual cracking design from the PlanePrint team.
Yeah, they are good.
They really are.
designs.
I think this is the 5th or the 6th model I've printed of theirs, and they always just go together so nicely. And then a bit of Halford's car spray paint on it, and yeah, set up as the manual. I haven't flown for about a year, so it'll be interesting to see if I can remember how to do it.
You'll be fine.
That goes up, that goes down, that goes that way, that goes that way. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Let's go.
Right, good luck.
Cheers. Yeah, it won't need much, I think. I think it'll probably, because it's a flying wing, it'll pitch up like crazy.
Yeah, okay.
Either pitch up something in little movements.
Do you want to let people know you're launching?
Ready?
Yeah, launching.
Ready?
Oh, badly need ground trim. Badly need
trim?
ground trim. Cheers, mate. Bit more, bit more.
Maximum trim reached.
No. Better?
You'll go back to the line over really.
Yeah.
Look again.
Cheers, mate. Nice. Way better.
You're being chased, right?
Yeah, we do have a lot of red kites around here. Beautiful birds of prey. And they don't like their environment being... Oh, there we go. That's the real one.